Welcome to Vacuum Wars, and to our review of the Shark EX301 CarpetXpert HairPro with StainStriker. The Shark EX301 is the flagship carpet cleaner in Shark's CarpetXpert line, and is packed with impressive specs and features. And it came first place in our Best Carpet Cleaners 2026 competition video. We bought one with our own money and put it through all kinds of tests. And in this video, I'll go over the pros and cons and reveal how high it ranks on the Vacuum Wars Top 5 Carpet Cleaners list on our website, which we keep updated weekly. So, links in the description, and let's get started. First, the basics. You may notice that there's both an EX301 and an EX304 in Shark's carpet cleaner lineup. The only difference is the EX304 comes with an XL stain tool, but they're otherwise the same machine. To use it, you fill up the water tank with water and the included cleaning solution, turn it on, and push it back and forth like you would a normal vacuum. It automatically dispenses water as you clean, what Shark calls power spray, so you don't have to think about pulling a trigger like on other carpet cleaners. It has two modes, a deep cleaning mode and a dry-only mode. After using the deep cleaning mode, you can use the dry-only mode to stop dispensing water, suction extra moisture, and reduce drying time. It also has Shark's StainStriker technology. It has a third tank where you put undiluted oxy solution, so that when you use the hand tool, it automatically mixes, making a stronger solution for those deeper stains or smelly messes like pet urine. Starting off with the pros. The EX301 has what Shark calls the built-in spot and stain eliminator, which is essentially a built-in hose, so you can use the machine like a carpet spot cleaner for smaller stains or above-floor cleaning jobs, like stairs or upholstery. With other carpet cleaners, you have to track down the hose and attach it every time you want to use it. But Shark's system makes it much more convenient. Something unique to the EX301 is its onboard self-cleaning feature. When you're done using the hose, you just click it into place, and it cycles water and cleaning solution throughout the system. Cleaning the hose is extremely important after big messes, so this is a very useful feature. The EX301 also has Shark's HairPro technology. Collected hair is funneled into an internal hair cage located in the dirty water tank to prevent clogs and hair wrapping, which are common issues with carpet cleaners. It has the most attachments out of any Shark carpet cleaner. Probably the most useful attachment is the 3.5-inch stain eliminator. It is a reversible insert with stiff bristles on one side and rubber on the other. There's also a built-in mini stain eliminator on the hose. This could be helpful for hard-to-reach stains, and it's nice that even if you lose all the other attachments, you still have this one. It has a pet mess extractor that captures pet accidents before they reach the main hose, and it has a hair extractor tool for removing deeply embedded hair from carpets and upholstery. All of the Shark carpet cleaners have good ergonomics, but this is especially impressive for the EX301. You wouldn't expect a flagship to be lightweight with all of its extra features, but the 301 weighs below average at just under 19 pounds. We tested both its sealed and unsealed suction, and the results were interesting. For our sealed suction test, we measured directly at the hose, and it had the second highest score on record out of 30 we've tested. However, when we measured unsealed suction at the floor head, it still scored above average, but it was noticeably lower than the other Shark carpet cleaners. This could have been an operator error on our end, but we suspect it comes down to how the EX301 is designed. It's the only model that automatically switches suction from the hose to the floor head when you lean it back. The other Shark models with hoses rely on a physical switch that you have to manually engage when switching between the hose and normal floor cleaning. So we think that design difference explains the results. Either way, it didn't impact the EX301's performance. It performed exceptionally well in our new stain test, where we pour 10 milliliters of grape juice onto white carpet, let it dry for at least 24 hours, and then use the machine as directed with its included cleaning solution. We do 4 timed back and forth passes, allow it to dry, and then measure the relative lightness of the stain using a colorimeter. The EX301 got the best score on record out of the 30 carpet cleaners that we tested. We also tested its hose's stain removal ability and compared it to the Shark's StainStriker spot cleaner. The EX301's hose performed almost exactly the same as the StainStriker spot cleaner, and even managed to score higher than Shark's first-generation machine in upright mode. Its impressive stain performance might be in part due to the StainStriker technology. Since the oxy multiplier isn't mixed in until you use the hose, it's stronger than if you were to premix it, leading to better results. Shark carpet cleaners across the board did the best on our stain test. The first-generation models won our competition last year, but the newer generation won this year. Clearly, Shark has improved an already great design with this new generation. Moving on to the cons. Probably the biggest con is its water tank. On average, the carpet cleaners we've tested hold about a gallon of water, but the EX301 only holds 0.6 gallons. So if you're using it to clean a large area, you can expect to empty and refill the tanks often. We should also mention its hose length, which is below average at 6.5 feet. This is likely because the hose is built in, and it would be difficult to have an onboard hose much longer than this without it tipping the machine over. It's long enough for most jobs, but if you have high-reach cleaning needs such as stairs, this is something to keep in mind. Its cord is 20 feet long, which is just slightly below average. While this isn't necessarily a deal breaker, you'll likely need to swap outlets when you switch rooms. The last con is its price point, as it is significantly more expensive than average. You're essentially paying a premium for more features. However, when you look at the other flagships from Hoover and Bissell, they're all about the same price. After adding up all the scores, the EX301 did exceptionally well. It's currently ranked at number 1 on the top 5 carpet cleaners list on our website, making it our best overall pick for 2026 so far. In conclusion, the EX301 is a very strong flagship carpet cleaner. It outperformed every other Shark carpet cleaner and earned the best stain score we've ever recorded. It delivers excellent ergonomics and some genuinely useful quality of life features, like the built-in hose, onboard hose self-cleaning, and Shark's StainStriker system. The smaller water tank, shorter hose, and higher price are real downsides, especially if you're planning to clean large areas in one go. But those trade-offs don't take away from its overall performance. If you want Shark's best carpet cleaner and you're willing to pay for the flagship features and performance, the EX301 is an excellent choice. Be sure to subscribe to Vacuum Wars before you go. Thanks for watching.
All of the links in the description are updated regularly to reflect our current favorite vacuums in multiple categories. You'll also find links to the Vacuum Wars website in the description, where we have more detailed lists of our favorite products, like our new top 20 robot vacuums list, which is updated weekly.